seen it. You have seen it. Every living human being, every living human being shall see it. Every living human being, every living human being shall see. मैं मर जाऊंगा, तुम भी मर जाओगे, हम सब यहाँ से चले जाएंगे। कायनात बगैर किसी परवाह के चलती रहेगी, चलती रहेगी, चलती रहेगी। You lose your wealth, your health, your treasure, all your luxuries without measure. Life's a river, ever flowing, all will pass with nothing owing. Otherwise, ephemerality away. जा जाएगा तुम्हारा दिल कैसा था, तुम मोहब्बत कैसे करते थे, रहम कैसे खाते थे। जहाँ the world will remember only this for you. With children, how gentle was your touch. With elders, how respectful just as much. And with those in strife, what was your way? How did you stand by them day by day?
This is Roonjha signing off.